Hello everyone, Rachel B here, and for today's video, pumunta kami sa open day which is free entrance sa Fort Ricasoli para makita ang gladiator 2 movie setup. But unfortunately, bawal ang photos and videos sa mismong area. Pero maraming interesting na makikita. Maraming tao but well organized, maraming security, merong food stands at meron din silang toilets. So dito naman sa Malta Films Studios, nakapag-video tayo ng konti and makikita dito na naka-display yung mga ilang movies or series na na-shoot dito sa Malta. Isa ito sa area na ginagamit nila kapag nag-shooting sila ng kailangan ay may sea view, yung mga boat scene. Pinapakita nila kung paano sila mag-shoot ng may sea storm and meron silang malaking pool na nakaharap dun sa mismong sea. They also have exhibit on what they use for movie setup.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. Flying, get on board. We're soaring on top of the world. Flying, get on board. We're soaring on top of the world.
Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!